Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a website shortcut icon to home screen on OnePlus Open 5G. To do it, first you'll need to search for a website you want to add to home screen. For example, HardReset.Info. Search for it. And here I'm in the website. To add it to home screen, press on three dots in top right corner here. Then scroll down and find Add to home screen. Click on it, and now you can set the title of the website. I'm gonna select it all and just leave the HardReset.Info, then press on add, and now go back to home screen, and here you can see your hard reset icon on your home screen. You can move it to whichever page you'd like. And you can click on it to open the page. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.